Let me show you quickly the trades taken last week using my system. So let's get started. These are Renko candles, by the way. So my system takes the entry here. My expert advisor took the entry here, right, with the small arrow shows here. That's the entry, and this you can see the entry is right there, and SL move to break even plus. So all the trades you can see the entry on the chart before I close the trade. So this is on the 12th gold to the downside. This is Bitcoin going to the upside right from here. That's the buy entry, and the entry is right there, right? And this is pound yen going down from here, 65 pip to the downside on the 12th. On the 13th, gold going down again. Beautiful setup here, right? You can see the setup is exactly the same every time I make the entry. I expected rather make the entry anyway, right? So it has to be by the book. So oil going to the upside from here to here. Beautiful by the book entry. And this one is oil going to the upside. This is gold again, and this is gold again. This is pound yen. After pound start to get strong very badly, and 180 pip to the upside here on the 15th. This is Aussie yen for 115 pip to the upside. This is pound USD going up for 130 pip. Buy orders right there on the 15th. On the 15th, euro yen going to the upside. Here, 80 pip on the 17th now. There's no trade on 16th, but the 17th pound yen started to go down. This is a beautiful entry here. Sell orders right there. SL move to break even plus. This is from 7-minute chart, and it is for 65 pip. On the 17th, Bitcoin going down again here. And on the 17th, oil started to go up again after dipping a little bit. And this is it. This is the last trade, right? So almost like 15, 16 trades altogether. What the heck happened here? So I pressed something, some other thing. Anyway, so this is the system that I use. It involves my expert advisor and my analysis based on a couple of things. Elliott wave number one, and number two, we can say harmonic patterns. And mostly, the most important thing is the Fibonacci mumbo jumbo. If you understand that, then this market is under your feet. And this is the trades that you can take very easily. Right. So I teach that on one-on-one personally, whoever wants it, right? So it's on the website. So what I'm going to do now that I'm going to hold a free webinar for everyone to join next coming Wednesday, July 22nd. All right. So if you want to join, if you want to learn how the system works and how you can get it, then please click on the Learn More button, and you will be taken to my website, and you can join there, sign up for the webinar and attend the webinar where you're going to learn exactly how I'm using it and what are the factors and what you need to do in order to, at least if you do it like 25% for what I just showed you, that this is what you can do in 1 week. This is the month of July, the slowest month, by the way, one of the slowest. June and July, the slowest month of the year, right? So the market is fast moving. I end up, having like 25 to 30 trades a week, right? And all big ones. So, just need to learn. That's it, right? So like I said, that click the button, learn more button, and then sign up for the webinar so you can learn exactly how the system works and how you can get it. All right. So I may see you in that webinar. And till then, actually, bye. And what else I have to say? That's it. So have a great rest of the weekend.